going? No, nothing. Okay, I know that I just came out here woo-sign and shit, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my makeup and just talking a little bit about my update, just where I've been. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back on. Wait a minute, I'm back. Most of you guys have been asking me, where have you been? I've been having this aha moment to where I have been like MIA for the past 2 freaking months, and I'm just like, I've been running away from the internet. Yes, running away. I've been like really honestly thinking about not the past, but like, you know, my high school years of just trying to the bullying and stuff. But it's like once you feel that way and all that trauma and stuff, you know, that has been going on, you get those aha moments, like, you know, have those moments where, you know, you shut down into a big bubble and you can't get out of it because you're so stuck. But now I can say that it's time to get out of the past. I'm the key. So who are you running away from? If you feel like you're running away from something and you can't figure it out, you're the key to your success. That's just that. No way around it. That's just that. Like, I feel like I've been going for 2 months now, and it's actually probably been a month that I have been going, and I don't feel like, you know, I just feel like I've been really airing my mind and just airing my space, just trying to figure out what things I like and what things I don't like. And it's just something I was doing. Being in a closed area is just not it. I'm telling you, it's not it. What am I gonna use? So I got that. Like, to be honest, I feel so good to, like, for one of my subscribers to say, where have you been? Like, you've been gone for like a week now. Are you okay? Like, that really touched me on the inside. Even though I'm not even on here, I kind of feel like, you know, I still know you guys. I like to like put a little bit of foundation and a little bit of powder underneath my eyes. I want it to be like really light. Most of you guys have been like telling me that I just want to see you, like, I don't want to, you know, just see one video a fucking week. But that's my fault, because I've been in my head for I don't know how long. But I know that you guys are like, bitch, get out your head. Like, stop having an aha moment and get out of your head. And I hate to say that I have like aha moments, and I don't like that. I don't.
It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up. the easy touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you, Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place on earth, take you there, take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had